This, my Blendy McBlendertons, is the Gogocook Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender, electric blender max 1000 watt heavy duty motor, 21 speed turbo mode, handheld blender, milk frother, egg whisk, 800 milliliter beaker, ooh there it is, 600 milliliter chopper, stainless steel blades from Gogocook. Connector for the frother and the whisker. Whiskey. Quite a large frother. Getting frothy. A big old cup there with 800 milliliter and 28 fluid ounces measurement on the side. And here we go with the large compartment for blendage. Oh yeah, this fits right in there. There we go, that does lock into place right there. Same with the frother. You gotta push it in a little bit hard, but it does snap into position. That clips right on, fits on there well. Let's plug this in. Now we got two buttons up here. There's a power button. And then you got a turbo button. All right, and you got a little light that lights up at the top, and then, oh, there's a dial. You can dial it. You can strike the right chord. Okay, I got a little clementineage. Put that in there, because I'm a professional chef. And that snaps on there nice and tight. And let's start low. And turbo. Just liquefying that little beauty in there. So yeah, it does have a little bit of a rattle to it. This joint here isn't, it snaps on there tight. I'm not worried about it coming off, but it's not a, there's play in it. Let's just say that. And that actually leads to it kind of bouncing back and forth. More rattly, has like a kind of a loud rattle to it, but totally liquefied there. And the turbo setting. It's blenderific.